Welcome to Front-End Web Development. In this video, we will learn about Bootstrap. Whenever you wanted your web page to be responsive, then we'll go with an Bootstrap. Apart from this, till now we have looked at the different CSS types, the text effects, the border effect, their box effects. Like Bootstrap provides all of them inbuilt with it. You need to just import the link and try to work accordingly. Mainly, Bootstrap is used for responsive web designing. For example, whenever you look at your page, whenever you look at your websites, most of the time, the clients, the users may be logging within computers, laptops, tablets, mobiles. You need to show up the content or your designing part and your interactive part as per the device. That can be achieved by using Bootstrap. Not only this, it has a plethora of different classes in this requirement. Let's look at few of them. This is how responsive page and unresponsive page looks like. The left hand side, the page is responsive according to the mobile. The other one, whenever you look at it, it is not responsive. You need to zoom in more. There's some major differences between responsive and unresponsive. In the process of doing this, not only the Bootstrap, we have many front-end web UI frameworks. There are alternate for the Bootstrap is Semantic UI, Foundation, Material UI, Pure, Skeleton, and so on. We are starting with Bootstrap. In case if you find the time, please explore the other web UI frameworks as well. Let's start for coding part. I would like to build up the portfolio page likewise, where it looks like somewhat neater and cleaner when we compare to the CSS. It has a menu bar, it has a logo, it has an image, it has some details about the person, it has a table over here, it has a grid system where you're trying to project the projects over here. On a similar note, we have the form as well. Let's try to build up this using Bootstrap. Heading back to the coding part, let's create a page called portfolio.html. First step you need to do is visit bootstrap.com. Bootstrap 5 please. Hit bootstrap.com. This is how the home page looks like. Just copy the links over here and paste it in the header part. Basically, it is exactly like an external resource, external CSS. It has all the hrefs and the relation style sheet is also the style sheet. Copy that and paste it in the head tag. Not copied it seems. Copy that, paste it over here. And in case you need any JS related things, you can copy the other one as well over here. Let me copy that and paste it. Let me name my title as in portfolio. There you go. Let's start building it. Firstly, let us start creating the body part. For that, let me create a division. Within this, let's head back to the bootstrap.com. You'll see the layout over here. Try to take the containers here. Like It shows up the container according to your screen sizes. You can pick according to that. Let me be restrict myself. I would be picking only one of it, please. So we have the different types of over here. Just add those classes to your HTML elements. Let me take container fluid. Just copy that. Now, like for the full width container and spanning the entire width to the viewport, it is going to adjust according to the viewport. Let me pick this right over here. Let's create a nav menu. Nav menu, you can look at in components. There you go, nav tabs and nav bar. Nav tabs or nav bar. Let me take the nav bar. Go ahead and copy this, please. Like code is ready-madely given to us. Depending upon your requirement, you can change accordingly. Let me write by myself. Let me copy the one after the other, please. Copy this. Let me take the which one is more, which this has an image as well. It's up to you, please. Pick which one is ideal for you. Let me pick this one. Copy this code and paste it in your head back. Let's look at how it has been looking at now. Go live. If you look at it, it is how it is looking, please. Let me change their names. What do I need, please? I need about me, education, projects, contact me. Let's name accordingly. This navbar, whenever you would like to have your brand, your name, let me keep it as an KMIT over here. I'll do that in a minute. Let's try to write that. First one, the first link is the home page. What I need is about me. Just rename this. About me. Then I need education, projects, contact me. Don't want any drop down menu. Just let me, this is something. List item. Save this. Save my code. About me. Similarly, this is a link, just a link. I need and all the things according to this, please. So what I'll do, I'll remove the link part. Please make a note on it. Like how do you create links? Do we have any form over here? Search one? No, I don't need any search. Remove all of them and just make whichever you need it. Just try to keep them whichever you need. So let me look at it now, how it has been looking, right? So let's come back. I forgot. I think I missed UL part as well to close this. There you go. Copy this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. After about me, education, projects, education, projects, contact. Like try to have the same names whenever you would like to refer them. Get it now? This is how, please. Keep it simple. Now, let me introduce. This is how you create a navbar. Let me update my navbar. This is an your logo, please. Let me update with an KMIT logo. Likewise, just little bit up. It's an anchor tag. I don't want that to be moved to the anywhere. Let me remove this. I'm not linking to my KMIT site. Just write all everything over here. Just write an image one. Image tag. src equals. I already have at my location, please. KMIT bar. Please download the KMIT logo. That is it, please. If I'm missing the logo, just write my logo and class equals. Like we have then class equals navbar brand. Close that. Heading back, if you notice that it is how it is looking for, right? Let us try to manage according to that. Like my navbar is expanding as big as possible over here. So let me make that as in simple navbar and expanding. Let me expand at an level of an G2. I don't, let me check this out. No, don't notice anything over here. It's a gutter of an 3 to G2. Okay. Don't want navbar to be the light one. Like I wanted that to be an orange. Like there is an colors as well. Please look at them, which comes under the hell utilities. Like colors. Pick whatever the color you would like to pick here, right? So let me pick the color. Warning. Warning says an orange color. I don't want that to be the light. BG stands for the background. You can also look that in documentation of Get Bootstrap. Warning. And navbar. Simple, please. Let me come back. Let me check this. How it has been looking now. Yes, this is how I want it to be look. Right? And we need to apply the boxes for them. That should come in another color. So let us try. BG warning. Let me keep that simple. And like this is how it has been looking for the about me. Let me try to add. Let me remove these active links, please. Like if it is not opened anything, this is how we are trying to pick it up. Like if there are multiple links, the first active link will be showing up for the first time. Thereon you can go on to the different links. So class number. Let me have this as in about me. I want my this link to be in an background as in green color. So like BG success. Just now we looked at the colors. Success is for the green. There you go, please. Let me apply this for everything. It's exactly similar to the class selector, please. The classes in the Bootstrap are available. Just explore them accordingly. You need to pick it up. There you go. Right? Like it is like coming in one go of a thing. Let me split on it. So you can split by using the distance padding. P. P stands for padding. Let me give the padding of an 5. Hyphen 5 represents the padding of the 5. It's been bigger one. Let me make that as in 3. Okay. Let me give the same padding to all. There you go. And I want to change the color as well to be the dark one or the light one. Text is the text is little light. So let me take the text bold. Let me check that. Hide light. There you go. Light is for white color, please. Let me apply that for all. If you want one to be the dark one, please use the text hyphen dark. Good one. Let me apply the same thing. It's a nav item. Let me try to apply it as a nav brand as well, so that it will be occupying the same um, kind of an button kind of a thing. Let me not applied. Please explore as much as possible on it. Okay, let me keep it simple now. This is how you can create a nav bar. Just be ready with it. Let me fluid expand nav bar container fluid. This one. Let me keep this is a more bigger. Let me give the gutter as an 5. Little, yeah, you see that it's been coming to the little closer to that. I would like to occupy only this part of it. You can leave some spaces like to that towards the left and the right, so that if you are hosting on that, it can be occupied by some ads, digital advertisements. It's up to you. Let me try to give bigger number for better understanding. 9, not applied. I think 5 is good enough. Let's add more and more data to that. See you in the next video.